Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about ChatGPT and compare it with Jasper AI. In order to do so, let's start here with ChatGPT. And if you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, it is very straightforward. If you come here and log in, then you're going to see a screen similar to this. In the middle here is where you can talk to ChatGPT and you can ask questions, whatever that might be. And on the left-hand side are where your different conversations are going to show up. If you want to create a new chat, all you have to do is click this button here and ChatGPT will begin a new chat. One of the nice things about ChatGPT is it does carry a memory of your different conversations. Although that is limited, you may need to upgrade your subscription if you want to expand that. But that is helpful for having your different conversations and knowing that ChatGPT is going to pull from your different conversations in order to provide more intuitive responses. ChatGPT is free, but it does have a paid version, which is about $20 a month, depending on your area. And that is something that will allow you to generate more images and also expand the memory and get more intuitive responses as well. Comparing this with Jasper Studio, Jasper Studio is a different concept. It is something that you can talk to Jasper and it will give you some responses, but it is more directed towards marketing. So let's just take a look at the main site here at jasper.ai. And we are looking here at Jasper Studio, and we can see here unlock AI for every marketer, design and deploy context rich AI apps and workflows that transform your marketing processes. And you can see here that we can get a demo, we can try a free trial. And if you're interested in Jasper AI and you are in marketing, then this might be the platform for you. Let's just go ahead and go down here and see what we can expect with Jasper. Automate marketing tasks with a no code app builder. So if you don't know how to code, you might want to use something like Jasper. It's grounded in your own data, easily connect apps to relevant data sources in order to deliver high quality context rich outputs, consistent and always on brand, configure content so it is aligned to your company and brand standards from format to voice and style. Intuitive, no code required. Empower every marketer to build and iterate with AI across planning, production, and reporting without IT dependencies. Design end-to-end workflows and embed them where marketers work. Integrated and automated, visual and multimodal, powered by world-class LLMs. Ideate, create, plan, and launch with a built-in suite of marketing first tools, Brand IQ, Marketing Editor, Jasper Chat. These are all the things that you are going to have access to with Jasper, and you can see here what the interface is like. So we can create a new conversation, and we have a few other options here that we can go through. But as far as the pricing goes for Jasper, let's go ahead and take a look at that. And you can see here that once your free trial is over, you are looking at $39 a month for the subscription. That goes up to $59 for the pro, and for business, you might want to contact their sales. What's the difference between Creator and Pro? Well, the plan includes one user seat for Creator, one brand voice, access to Jasper Chat, access to SEO mode, use AI everywhere with browser extension. With Pro, you get one seat, but you can add up to 5, 3 brand voices, 10 knowledge assets, 3 instant campaigns, collaboration and user management, AI image generation, and editing tools. So it's interesting what's happening as far as AI goes. There's definitely things like ChatGPT, which is very much just something that you can go and you can talk to, and you can definitely use this in similar ways to Jasper. But with Jasper, you're getting something that is more concentrated, directed to a specific purpose, in this case, marketing. So if marketing is something that's important to you, if you are a business owner who is starting a business and you need something like Jasper to help you with your business, then you might want to consider Jasper Creator. But if you are looking for something that you can use for multiple people and have 3 different brands that you are taking advantage of, then you might want to consider that pro subscription. And we can go through some more details here, but if you want to come to the Jasper AI site and take a look, there is a lot of information here that you can search through to find out if Jasper is the right solution for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.